Hi there, my name is Marceau Debois and I am the owner of the Yeasty Boys Artisan Home Bakery in Cape Town, South Africa. Now together in this sourdough cooking mastery course, you and I are going to learn how to make incredible artisan recipes completely by hand. This course is designed for people of all skill levels, so even if you're a complete beginner, you will be able to perfect your very own sourdough pizzas, pastas, and other amazing recipes on your first attempt. Throughout these lessons, you will learn how to create and use your own sourdough starter in all of the recipes covered in this course, from Gourmet Burgers to Artisan Hot Dogs and even Tortilla Burritos. Through slow fermentation, your natural starter will help you produce incredible flavor and texture that you wouldn't be able to find in any store or even restaurant. I will be accompanying you at every step of this cooking process with concise yet in-depth lessons which will deconstruct all covered recipes and make them as digestible as possible. For complete ease of use, you will also have access to this course's original cookbook with written instructions and measurements to accompany you along all of your cooking. Using a natural starter in these dishes will absolutely revolutionize how you cook in the kitchen. So, if you want to learn how to make some of the best sourdough recipes out there, then there is simply no better way than with this artisan cooking course.